So I have to show you all, this is what's happened in the last 24 hours. It was sunny and beautiful and awesome yesterday. And today, there is snow everywhere. Do you see it? It is the most beautiful thing. I love Montana. I love it here. Beautiful lovelies. You're gonna see a little cut and pasting in this particular video. It is February and I am here to give my February update. I did a January, this is the year in preview. As always, with being an artist, things sometimes change a little bit. I still have everything on my list that I still need to do, but I have added a couple things to my list. I have added a child's doublet pants outfit. I have also added a history bounding head thing. I'm going to do a vest for VLEF. I also, in January, was approached by my boyfriend's baby son, who I'm helping raise, and he would like a new Roman outfit. He's an adult now, so his size isn't gonna change much. He approached me and said, would you make me an actual nice, instead of scrap fabric, instead of hand-me-down type stuff, can you make me a Roman dalmatica and cloak that are more historically accurate, more historical appropriate fabrics, things like that. We sat down together and we designed the roundels and the clavy. These pieces that come from the shoulder are called clavy. And so I designed, and I've added that project. That's actually a fairly big embroidery project because I need to do like 8 or 9, I can't remember, quite a few of the suns, and then 6 of the star design, and then 2 of the clavy for the front. So it's he wants it all hand embroidered. So I'm gonna be doing hand embroidery and adding beadwork and trim and things to make it really fancy. And he's gonna buy the linen to affix it to. And he's actually got quite a bit of clothing already, because when I made him clothing last, I made everything really big, so he had a chance to grow into it, and now he's grown into it. So I did a big business trip the last week in January, and I kind of lost my momentum. Part of that has to do with my illness, and if you're interested in that, I can talk about that at another time. I did all my laundry yesterday. I got my art room all cleaned up, all the studio cleaned up, and now I'm kind of in that holding pattern of, I don't know what I want to work on next. I should probably work on the vest, but I also have Angelis's pants still to do. I have a lot to do, and I'm almost at that point of there's too much to do. I know that I want to put this video out, this February vlog out for projects. Some of my favorite vloggers do a little bit more talking about what they're doing every week, and I am contemplating doing that. I'm contemplating kicking that around. If you like the content that I put out on my channel, if you like what I talk about, if you like the projects that I discuss, please put your comments below, hit subscribe and the little bell so that you can see the updates. I am still evolving. My channel is still evolving, and I'm not entirely certain. I know that I want to put out content where you see me making things. I am a prolific artist and I make things all the time, and I want to be able to share that. I also am not very good at the video editing portion, and I'm still learning that. Putting out content and editing can take away from the making part, and I don't want to get caught up in the editing to the point where I don't make things. But I still want you to be able to enjoy the videos. In February, I am going to be releasing a video, tag fellow costumers on YouTube. I also have this little fox that you're gonna see me making. Look forward to that and keep your eye out, and you're gonna see the pattern for this, the video that goes with that. And you'll learn more about me. If that's what you're interested in, you can totally skip over it if you don't want to, which is completely okay. Every YouTuber, every costumer has a different approach. I'm still trying to figure out what my best approach is. I know that I have goals, and we'll see where I get with them, and I don't always know what that is supposed to look like for sure. Have a beautiful day.